What's up, guys? We're back with another truck meet. Got the 37s all mounted up on the 22s. Looking good. Just got them put on yesterday. Got some new stickers on. Got to get that trash out. I think we're going to leave the cone. Got to get the truck cleaned up. She's dirty. Rim's clean. Then we're going to put the sticker on the windshield. Brave for Briar. Y'all stay tuned. Almost done cleaning. Ran out of tire shine, so I have to go get some. We need microfibers or all this water's just gonna dry on there. So, but yeah, it's about where we're at. We're gonna head out, meet up with some guys around about 12:30 or so. We're gonna ride on to Russell. Turned out pretty good. Tires shine. Still ain't cleaned the rims. Got to do that. Everything loaded up in the bed, stickers off the back. I had the Briar sticker I was gonna put on the windshield and tripped and fell and messed up the sticker, so that ain't good. But truck's cleaned up. Carly, you ready for today? What do you think about the truck show? She's got her lounge chair back here too, because she won't go unless she has that. We're on the way to the show. Got to stop, get some drinks, something to eat, and go meet up with Seymour, JB, and all them boys. Got Seymour on the 26s now. KJ, truck never changes. Me. I think we're waiting on some more people. She gets this new truck, just thinks she can show up late everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
They're still polishing wheels.
Finna roll out. Catch on when we get there. We made it out here. It's not deep yet, but I bet it will be. This Trans Am is bad, boy. This thing is massive. What do you think about this show? How's it going so far? It's alright. It's alright. Man, this gotta be the gayest truck I ever seen. I think you need some spacers. Thing laid back. Hunter and JB out here. Love these trucks. Not nothing crazy, just super, super clean. Seymour and his fiance twinning. Brody Hines, how are you liking the new F-150?
It's all right, but I feel gay in a Ford.
Oh, yeah. Man, what the? Those are what the fucks. JT, work truck. And with a cracked windshield. Green? Look at little Jake, little short guy. In the big rig.
Jake, let me in, dude.
Seat back. That's how I know you move my seat back. My titties don't normally hit the steering wheel. Fuck.
For the show. Be it right here. Rolling up at the Huddle House. We on the way back from the meet. It was a good meet for a good cause. I don't really agree with the awards that were given out. They forgot to do best audio and just handing out an award for it. So, but yeah, that's about it. I'll catch y'all at the next meet next weekend. Peace.